Our question is, an object experiences a net zero external unbalanced force. Is it possible for the object to traveling with a non-zero velocity? So here net zero external force means for any object force means we can say that sigma of force, sum of all forces means net force will be zero, right? So no force is exerting on that object, and still if is it possible that that object is traveling with a non-zero velocity, right? So answer is yes, it can travel with a non-zero velocity, still no means net zero external force is exerting on that object, right? So answer is yes here. Now how, right? Is for example we are having one car, right? Car have total 4 wheels, right? So these wheels, first it rotates and then we will move ahead, right? Now we are giving external force to rotate that wheel, so all 4 will rotating and then we are moving ahead, but there is frictional force. So if these wheels rotating in this direction, frictional force will be in opposite direction, so it is in this direction. So here if this external applied force and frictional force will be same, means external applied force is for example F and frictional force will be same, right? Then this car will move in frontward direction with constant velocity, because when car starts moving ahead, right, it has some velocity initially, right? Now just to maintain that velocity we are giving this force in this direction, but friction opposes that force. Now this car only move in frontward direction with constant velocity, otherwise if our applied force will be more than the frictional force, force is continuously exerting on that object, on that car, right? Then that is not now constant velocity, it will be continuously increasing velocity then. So this is how in this particular example force are net zero. Why? Because external force we are applying in backward direction and frictional force in frontward direction, both are opposite, both are same. So net zero external force, unbalanced force is exerted on that car, and still that car moves with a non-zero velocity.